So we are here in Lapland Safari to book snowmobile night safari, which will start at 6 p.m. and it is 4 p.m. now. Most of my friends have gone skiing, but so I'm here in Lapland Safari to book snowmobile night safari from 6 to 8. अभी बज रहा है 3. So we will check in today in Igloo. So I will be also making a vlog on our igloo stay in Lapland, and that's really going to be interesting because I am excited as well. If you're coming for snowmobiling, you can they provide you with clothes, shoes, and they also provide you with winter clothing just like this, and there are also shoes option. So we bought the shoes from the safari company and now we are starting to the next stop.
Alright. And then for you, I will maybe go over here with the
Yeah.
bigger. Might be the small.
Fine, says get it ready.
मैं एक बात बोलूं, इसके साथ
No, you
वीडियोस
should.
में ले सकते हैं क्योंकि I can't wear this and operate the phone. तो मैं ये नहीं पहनती. ये जरूरत है ना तो पहले.
ये वाला बेटा, ये वाला मत लेना, तू ये वाला जैकेट ले लेना.
सही क्यों?
अरे इन लोगों का ग्लव्स ले ले. उसमें बोल रहा है वार्म नहीं रहेगा.
Parcels. I'll keep my one hand free because I need to vlog. ओह, क्या तो सफारीज है.
So, is it first time of snowmobiling?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, you're basically the same level then.
C'est qui la première?
So, let's start the official part. So, you have to be 18 years old or older and you need to have a valid driving license to drive the snowmobile. Also, we have a zero tolerance of drugs and alcohol when you're driving. So, I hope everybody is sober. Cool. Then, first, here's a place for the passenger. And a couple of important things. Always keep your feet in here because this is 300 kilo and if you are hanging your legs like this and you flip down, you will probably broke your leg. So always here. Then every time when you are driving, please sit down. Do not stand.
Tu dois être toujours assis quand tu
And then there's a place for passenger. Same thing, feet always in here inside of the snowmobile. And there's a handlebars for the passenger. Then about the controls, we have a handlebar in here and it works basically same way than driving bicycle. When you steer it on the right, the skis are turning and the snowmobile starts going on the right. You can also use your body weight a bit, lean a bit, so then the turning is a little bit more effective. Same thing when you are going on left, but when you are going on left, please do not push by your right hand because the acceleration is here, over there. So if you push it by your right hand, you might accidentally push it too hard and then we are in trouble. So pull it by your left hand. And the brake is here on the left hand. Basically there is no need for using brake because when you release the acceleration, the snowmobile will stop soon. But example, in downhills, if you are going too fast, you have to stop quickly, then brake is good. Then this red button, we call it emergency button, but no worries, it's also the button how to shut down the engine. When you press it down, the engine will shut down.
Oh my god. 40 minutes. Hi guys, so we're starting the snowmobile. This was not planned, but we planned it very impromptu today. So we are gonna start. I'm a little scared. I'm a little on the scared part always. John मुझे बहुत प्यारा है. So yeah, सबको प्यारा होता है. But yeah, let's start. Yay!
थोड़ी सी मूडी हूँ, तू थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी है, क्या खूब ये जोड़ी है तेरी मेरी। आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, ये दो मुस्कुराहट को, हाय 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 हाय। जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो, ये दो घबराहट को, बाय 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 बाय। Love you जिंदगी, love you जिंदगी।
we have taken a short break to enjoy the berry juice.
Warm one.
And after that, we'll continue our rides back again. We have completed the snowmobile and now we are going to have dinner, and we'll see you after. So I really hope you liked this short vlog of snowmobile. I will again put all the links and descriptions in the description box below. So if you're coming to Finland, do experience snowmobile. I didn't ride because I don't know to ride a motorbike. But yeah, it was fun. I was a little scared at the beginning and the roads were really rocky with ice, you know. But then at the second half of the trip, I became comfortable. Guys, with this vlog ends here. Stay tuned for more. Till then, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Wanderers by Choice.